Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to redeem your Samsung Wallet points. If you've been accumulating points through your Samsung Wallet and you're not sure how to cash them in, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can start enjoying those rewards in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Samsung Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't, head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download it for free. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your Samsung account. It's quick and secure, so don't worry about any hassles. Now, let's get to the fun part. Navigate to the Points, or Rewards, section. It's usually right on the home screen or under a menu icon. Here, you'll see your current points balance. Take a moment to check how many points you have. It's always exciting to see what you've earned. Next, look for the Redeem button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a variety of options, like converting points to cashback, gift cards, or even exclusive Samsung products. Choose the one that appeals to you most, maybe that new accessory you've had your eye on. Once you've selected your redemption option, review the details. Make sure you have enough points and double-check any terms or expiration dates. Then, hit Confirm to finalize the redemption. You might get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye out for that. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always keep your app updated for the latest features, and if you run into any issues, check your internet connection or contact Samsung support. It's that simple. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to redeem your Samsung Wallet points and turn them into real rewards. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.